How to fix YouTube keep pausing. 1. Check if YouTube auto pause feature and / or remind me to take a break is active. 2. Check then troubleshoot potential network issues. 3. Clean cookies or cache files or check installed extensions one by one, disable one, then reload the YT page you were trying watch. 4. Check YouTube's Help Center or the Known Issues page. 5. Check if there was an issue with your headphones. 6. Try AutoTube, YouTube non-stop Chrome extension. 7. Update YouTube app 8. Disable data saver, mobile app users only.